Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a little tutorial how to do direct message on Instagram application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Instagram application, and this is the look when you already open the Instagram application. And now the things you have to do is just go into the direct message, which is this icon symbol. You just need to go click it, and after that let's find out which friends or which account that you want to send a direct message to. For example, if you want to first timer sending the DM into someone, you just need to type the ID on the search button. For example, let's go, I want to asking about a burger. Okay, so I want to ask either they still sell their burger or not. You just need to go click it, and after that go click the message and type what you want to type into the message. Okay, for example, okay, and after you're done typing everything that you want to send into your partner on chat or DM, you just need to go click send. Now you just need to wait until the this account or your friends or the owner answer your question. Okay, means that whenever your partner at DM answering, means that they still online. And that's all the way how to do direct message on an Instagram account. So if you find out this tutorial is quite useful for you today, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.